So some obstacles that people don't really understand is if you're using two different brokers or two different bankers, one of the problems is if someone's keeping the matrimonial home and the rest of your down payment or your deposit is tied up in the equity of the property and you've already purchased a property and you need to close by a certain deadline, you might be in trouble. So having the same broker and can refinance the property, have funds moved over to the other separating spouse in order for that person to close on their property is really beneficial. The left hand always needs to know what the right hand is doing.
And that's why I think mediation is so important, because it's the same thing. The mediation is looking at the best benefit of both parties, just like what you're saying right now. You're really looking at the best benefit of both parties, making sure everything gets resolved.
Right. You as the mediator are probably looking 2, 3, 4, 5 steps ahead. The mortgage broker should also be looking 4 or 5 steps ahead and saying, okay, Mrs. Smith, you're off to buy a new property. Wonderful. It's 5 blocks away. Where's the money coming from? Because that's what banks really want to know.